It's a happy day today for all of us at Think. It was in the year 2003 that we started off our financial services and offerings to all our clients. It's been a long journey ever since then. The journey has been nothing less than adventurous, challenging, and memorable. Memorable because we got the support of all of you. You trusted Think on its growth story, right from the offerings of life insurance, health insurance, car insurance, mutual funds, fixed deposits, demat accounts, portfolio management services. We have it all. And you have given us your unstinted support in all of these. It's a memorable day for all of us at Think today. Till 2015, we were operating from leased properties, and we took the plunge and bought ourselves this ownership property. Today marks an important day. Today, we would be completing 6 years in this particular property, a permanent address for Think and its clients. This wouldn't have been possible without all of your support, and we thank you from the bottom of our heart. A big thank you to all those who have supported us in the thick and thin of our journey. We have always excelled in trying to give you customized solutions in all the various financial products that we have offered to you. We wish to have you and your support in the times ahead. I and my team at Think will leave no stone unturned to provide you the best of services that we can offer to you. We look forward to your support. A big thank you once again for placing your trust with us. I am sure all of you would have been catching up with the Guru Gurwar series, our weekly videos that come on YouTube under the series called Guru Gurwar. Do catch up in case if you haven't. We would love to have you and your company and YouTube as well. Once again, a big thank you for being a part of this growth story.